back to my channel Pitara. Myself Pranvi. Yesterday was World Environment Day. Sorry I could not post the video yesterday. So today I am posting the video and I am telling you about the World Environment Day. So let's start. The World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th. Globally, it is celebrated every year to remind and respect the values of nature. The World Environment Day was established by the United Nations Assembly in 1972. This year, the theme is ecosystem restoration. Now, here are some points how we can keep our environment clean. We can compost our food waste, less use of vehicles, we should avoid plastics and more plantation. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video on Wednesday at 6 p.m.